Hi, to set custom wallpaper on your CMF phone one, all you have to do is open settings on the phone and now find this tab customization. So after that you can customize your icons, colors, layout, and on the bottom you can see this tab with wallpapers. You can actually tap it like this. And now you got such categories for wallpapers as nothing and colors, and also an option to create perfect wallpaper for you with the help of AI. So if you willing to try this out, just tap here and then create wallpaper. And also you can use your current wallpaper, which will look something like that. And to set custom one, just select this tab My Photos. After that, if you are doing it for the first time, you'll need to allow some permissions. So you need to allow access to photos and so on. So choose Allow All. And now you can see this list of your photos and videos from which you can choose wallpaper. For example, I would like to select this one. Now we can of course pinch to crop like that. We can also move it a bit. We can tap and turn on scrolling wallpaper like this. And we can tap this check mark to set it either as lock screen or as home screen or as both. So if you want to set it only for your lock screen, then disable home screen like this and reverse or leave those two options together. Also, there is an option to enable this atmosphere effect. We can also disable it and you can see how my home screen changes according to that. So atmosphere like blurs the picture and dims it a bit. Also, we can enable this glass effect and it will adjust our lock screen style. So as you can see. And we can disable everything. Now let's set this wallpaper appear. For that, I'm gonna tap Done button, then wait a few seconds, and this is my new home screen. Let's lock the phone, and this is my new lock screen, which is pretty cute. So you can also press and hold your current lock screen, choose to customize it, and now unlock to actually customize it. And after that, you can also tap to add widgets. You can add weather widget and so on. Change wallpaper, tap on this home icon and add shortcut, for example, camera or torch, and on the right side as well. So yeah, that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.